You want to go? Do you want to ride?
Like one lap, like
sure.
Short?
Yeah, I'll go slow, and then if you want to go faster, we'll go faster.
Okay.
I promise not to kill you.
Hey, don't kill me, okay?
Okay.
I have a really important job to do, so I can't be killed.
I will not kill you.
But you will go slow the first time?
Yes, I will go slow, and like I said, you just tell me if you want to go faster, we'll go faster.
So, do you just do this as a hobby?
Yes. Yeah, it's just fun. We come out and like on the 27th, there's the thing where we do the time attack.
Yeah.
And it's a lot of fun, and you don't even actually have to take the flag. You're fine. This is slow.
Oh, okay. This is
Yeah,
slow.
I'm nowhere near the edge of this car's abilities.
Okay.
We'll go slow, and then we'll, like I said, we'll see you let off, and the car turns like you're supposed to, and then you get back to the car. I'm not giving it anything yet. So you said you have an important job to do. What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
A nurse?
Yeah.
I own a mobile X-ray company.
Oh, cool. Oh my god. Okay, that's good. I'm good.
You're good?
Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit, this is so cool.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it is. You are like so talented. This is not easy, I'm sure. Wow. And you learned to do this just like by their teaching, or
Yes.
you already knew some stuff?
I mean a little bit here and there, but yeah, I came out and so they have multiple classes, and I've taken them all.
Okay.
And yeah, it's a lot of fun. They teach you a lot.
Yeah, I can tell just by what you have learned so far. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
I'm sorry, I almost ripped your
Oh
shoulder
no, you're
off.
fine. You're fine.
Holy shit.
All right. Go a little faster this time. I turned traction control off. seatbelts are not that great, especially on that side.
You're fine though. Oh man, that's awesome.
It's a lot of fun,
It
isn't
is
it?
a lot of fun.
And that's the short track. So the short track makes it just. I mean, so then you can do the next one. It's a lot of fun. You should come out and do it.
I will. I sure will. How do you know when to pump the brakes?
So if you when you take the class, they'll show you all of that stuff,
Okay.
like how to do all that. They teach you, like you know your braking points, your acceleration points, like when to turn in, when to So like I don't know if you felt this coming around the carousel there, or that part over there. If you notice, I was holding throttle, and then when I let off the throttle, it actually turns.
Yeah.
So they teach you stuff like that, how to handle the car and stuff. It's a lot of fun.
That's cool. That's cool. You're good, man. You got it good. This thing can fly. Holy shit. That was awesome.
Why did you have your hand out the window?
I was holding on.